everyone! So right now, papakita namin ni Austin ngayon ang binili namin na bag. So Mama bought him a school bag because Austin is going to have a 1-month sit-in sa school niya for the next school year. So he will practice writing. So where's your bag? Show na them your bag. Show your bag. Diba? What is it? Let's see. Wow! Okay, so this one. Is this the color that you like?
Yeah.
It's a Rossini bag. It's so nice.
Mama.
No, the color, it's so nice, no? So cool to the eyes. So what can you say about your bag?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mama.
I love you.
Wait.
Wait. Okay. What do you want to show?
And there's a zipper.
There's a zipper.
Right here.
There, right there. How many packets? Oh. 2 packets? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's a packet, another packet inside. Wow, and you have the pantalon. Another extra pants.
Look, there's another way.
There's another way. Let's see.
There's a
What is it
secret
there?
message. Wow.
There's a secret message.
Look,
Oh, wow.
there's a saying.
Okay.
But let's put it back.
Let's put it back. The
Yeah.
pantalon.
Ma, can
The
you?
pants. Okay, later na. Put sa there. Okay, we will vlog pa man, oh. Okay, sige. Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone.
Wait.
Wait.
Look,
Austin just likes to flex his bag.
look. Close this one.
Close the bag. The zipper of the bag.
And this one.
That one.
Go on this one. There's another pocket.
And there's another pocket there.
Right here. And there's a pocket right here.
There's
And
also a
right
pocket and
here.
another pocket.
And
Oh, it's so matibay.
right
And
here.
it's waterproof.
Yeah.
The price is just worth the price.
Yeah.
For a small kid, K5
But this is 5
grade
kids.
kid.
Look,
Okay.
no, wait.
Okay na.
There's a seat belt.
Seat
And
belt. There's also a belt for the
Yeah.
waist belt.
And there's a scissors. There's a handle.
There's a handle. Okay, so thanks for watching.
Wait.
Bye na.
No.
Bye na kay it's so long na the video. Okay?
Look, there's this.
Oh, kami na si Daddy. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye.